hit the ground at dawn, engines roar, the work goes on. Dust clouds rise, the skyline shakes, every brick's a vow we make. Hammer strikes in steady time, echoes ring like a battle line. Sweat and sparks, the air ignites, we're building dreams with sleepless nights. Raise the beams, let the skyline climb, every nail's a heartbeat, every stone's a sign. This is the kingdom of concrete and steel, where the ground trembles and the future feels real. Cranes reach higher, the city takes flight, we're the builders of fire in the dead of night. Jackhammers pound, the earth complains, but progress sings through iron chains. Blueprints whisper, visions grow, from rubble comes the world we know. Lunch break laughter, sirens call, graffiti scrawled on a half-built wall. Hard hats shine beneath the sun, the work ain't over till the job is done. Concrete rivers, steel frame skies, sweat-stained hands where the future lies. Every scaffold's a ladder to dreams, every rivet's a spark in the seam. This is the kingdom of concrete and steel, where the ground trembles and the future feels real. Cranes reach higher, the city takes flight, we're the builders of fire in the dead of night. This is the kingdom of concrete and steel, where the ground trembles and the future feels real. Cranes reach higher, the city takes flight, we're the builders of fire.